आज हम रीड करेंगे बायोजियोकेमिकल साइकिल। ये आप देख रहे हैं, मतलब ये कैसे है। अगर फॉर एग्जांपल एटमॉस्फेयर से हवा ले रहे हैं और फिर इसको वो डॉग्स भी खा रहे हैं, और ये मतलब फिशेस वगैरह भी हवा ले रहे हैं इसकी हवा से। लेकिन जो फॉसिल्स फ्यूल्स होते हैं वो मतलब हमारी हेल्थ के लिए डेंजरस होते हैं। ये जो फैक्ट्रीज से धुआं वगैरह निकलता है या गाड़ियों से धुआं वगैरह निकलता है वो डेथ काज कर देती है। ठीक है, तो ये इसके बारे में मैं आपको बताऊंगी। वी नो दैट environment is the source of materials for all living organism. Environment provides bioelements which are used by organism for their bodies. Bodies and metabolism. The materials are continuously recycled between organisms and environment. Biogeochemical cycles are the cyclic pathways through which materials move from environment to organisms and back to environment. Carbon cycle. Carbon atom is the principal building block of many kind of biochemicals. Carbon is found as graphite and diamond in nature. It also occurs as carbon dioxide in atmosphere. Major source of carbon for the living world in carbon dioxide present in atmosphere and water. Fossil fuels like petrol, coal, natural gas and petroleum also contain carbon. Carbonates of Earth's crust also give rise to carbon dioxide. The major purpose that brings carbon from atmosphere or water into living world is photosynthesis. Producers take in carbon dioxide from atmosphere and convert it in organic compounds. In this way, carbon becomes a part of the body or producers. This carbon enters food chains and is passed to herbivores, carnivores and decomposers. Carbon dioxide is released back to environment by respiration or producers and consumers. It is also released by decomposers of organic waste and dead bodies by decomposers. Burning of wood and fossil fuel are also large amount of carbon dioxide in atmosphere. Nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen is an important component of many biochemicals like proteins, nucleic acids, DNA. Atmosphere is reservoir of free gases. Nitrogen living organism cannot pick up in the gases nitrogen directly from atmosphere except of nitrogen fixing bacteria. It has to be converted into nitrates to be utilized by plants. Nitrogen cycle involves several stages. A. Formation of nitrates. It is done by the following ways. Nitrogen fixation. Conversion of nitrogen gas into nitrates is called nitrogen fixation. It courses the following ways. ये नाइट्रोजन साइकिल की डायग्राम भी है. थंडर स्टॉर्म्स एंड लाइटनिंग, नाइट्रोजन इन एटमॉस्फेयर, ये फिर assimilation, biological and fixation by symbolic bacteria, nitrates, denitrification by denitrifying bacteria, ammonification by ammonifying bacteria, ammonia, nitrification by nitrifying bacteria, nitrites, biological and fixation by free living bacteria, एटमॉस्फेरिक एंड फिक्सेशन. ये नाइट्रोजन साइकिल की डायग्राम है और ये देख लें आप.